Let's talk about beard maintenance. All right, check the beard out right here. I haven't done anything yet to it, just how it looks normally without combing it, grooming it, anything like that. Kind of unruly, kind of untidy. So what I'm gonna do when I groom it up is two products. I'm gonna come in with 1821 Man-Made Beard Balm and 1821 Man-Made Oil. What I'm gonna do is get a little bit of the beard balm out, put that in the palm of my hands. Now I'm gonna add the oil to it. Come in here, put a little bit of the oil on there. Now I'm gonna rub these two products together and work it into the beard. Right there, massage it in very well. Don't be gentle, you wanna get it all the way down to the skin underneath that beard. Not only is it gonna groom the hair fibers up, it's also gonna condition the skin under the beard for you. Because a lot of guys get a lot of itchiness and flakiness on the skin under a long beard. So massage that in really, really well to get the benefit from the products. Now we'll come in with a comb and I'm gonna comb it out. Right there. Comb the mustache out. Now groomed, nice and tidy. Two products to take care of your beard. 1821 Man-Made Beard Balm and 1821 Man-Made Oil. Don't neglect the face, boys. Later.